Hi friends, just received this beautiful lamp for our house. I'm going to show you the lamp and then we're going to install it, okay? Okay, this is the actual lamp. It's for to put it on the ceiling. These are all the nice accessories it has. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay. Okay, has some lighting also. More accessories. And this is the main lamp. Okay, so let's take it out of here. And it also is a fan, okay? It's also a fan. So we are going to have a lighting and a fan. You'll see it when we install it. Thank you. As you can see now, we can use the remote to turn on the lights. And the fan, it has 6 speeds. Let's use speed number 3. You'll see how it starts to turn around and eventually the whole fan shows. Okay? So you could leave the fan on and the lights off. Or, of course, the fan off and the lights on. And you can even set a timer, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours of work. You can also change the wind, the way the wind goes. You want up to down or down to up, meaning that in summer you want air coming down, and in winter you want air going up. So that's what you can do with this other button. So it's a nice chandelier kind of light and a nice fan. Perfect. And the remote comes with this practical base to put it anywhere you want. As you can see, I have it here and it's strong enough to work all the way over there. Perfect.